Hi, my name's Rick from Gainsborough Door Hardware. Today we're going to show you how to install the Gainsborough HD7 on your front security door. So you install the lock body first. Get your handles ready. Slide the spindle in either way. Put your screws in loosely at first. So once they're on nice and tight, you're going to want to put your cylinder in. We get a lot of questions about this. So you're going to slide the cylinder in, and to lock it, you're going to have to push the auxiliary bolt in and turn your key around so it locks. You're going to do that before you put the screw in. So once it's all locked and still in the lock position, put the screw in, and you can simply unlock it, and it'll start working exactly how it should. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or anything you want to ask, please leave a comment below. Or if you want to see any more how-to videos, please visit www.gainsboroughhardware.com.au.